All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still going over our understanding VITs or Visual Transformers module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. And we still haven't gotten around to any code yet. We're still taking notes, so let's pick up with some light reading on exactly what we went over tonight, so we can keep you posted. Now let's get back to our model where we have our 5x3 input, which is passed into the self-attention layer. So we could, for example, have a matrix set that is a 5x3. Each word will have its own embeddings, so we would have some values there. Now, suppose that we're working in a three-dimensional embedding. We would see that each and every word have its own embedding. That would look something like this. So you can see these are the words here, and these are the embeddings. So this is our 3x5 or 5x3. Sorry about that. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 3. So these are our words. These are our vectors or our embeddings, the values of our embeddings. So these are the different words we have, and at this point, we'll implement a special type of attention called a dot product attention. This is where we'll take the 5x3 metric set and multiply it by the transpose of a matrix, which has the same shape of our 5x3 metric set matrix. So we'll take our 5x3 metric set matrix, which we'll call the query, and multiply it by the transpose of the key. The key is going to be 3x5, since it is going to have the same shape as the query. This is the shape of our key visually. So let's see what our key would look like. So you can see here, this is quite different, or it's quite the opposite of what we have already. Our query, our key is going to be 3x5. So you can see in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a 3x5. Our key, our query is 5x3, and our key is the transpose of that 3x5. So now we have our query, and we have a 3x5 matrix. Let's go down a little bit. This is a visual representation of what we'll be multiplying. So when we say we're going to multiply our query by our key, this is what we mean visually. You can take the words off visually. I just kept the words there because I copy and pasted it from up above down here. But basically, we're only talking about the embeddings here. So when we say we're going to do a dot product multiplication, we're going to multiply these embeddings by these embeddings here. And that's what we mean. So basically, that's what we did today. We just took a lot of notes. Like I said, we haven't gotten back around to coding yet, so we are taking heavy notes. So we're going to continue doing that until we get to some code, so we can get a deeper understanding of what we're actually doing, so we can move forward more confidently. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.